The biggest chin blackhead removal deep extraction transformation. What is a chin blackhead? Chin blackheads are a common type of clogged pore that forms when excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities become trapped inside the skin. Since the pore stays open, the material reacts with oxygen and turns dark, creating the appearance of a blackhead. The chin naturally produces more oil than many other areas of the face, making it especially prone to stubborn blackheads. Why do chin blackheads become so large? Some blackheads remain small, while others continue to grow over weeks or even months. This happens when fresh oil and dead skin cells continue collecting inside the same pore. Without proper cleansing or exfoliation, the blockage becomes deeper and more compact, making it more noticeable and difficult to remove. Deep extraction transformation. During a professional deep pore cleaning session, a sterile cum-done extractor is carefully placed around the clogged pore. Gentle and controlled pressure helps release the blockage without unnecessary damage to the surrounding skin. Each extraction reveals how deeply blackheads can develop beneath the skin's surface. What happens after the extraction? Once the blockage is removed, the pore appears cleaner and less congested. The skin may look smoother, but it is important to remember that extraction removes existing blackheads rather than preventing new ones. Healthy skin requires consistent daily care to maintain cleaner-looking pores. How to help prevent future blackheads? A simple skincare routine can reduce the buildup that leads to blackheads. Washing your face twice daily, using a gentle exfoliant when appropriate, choosing non-comedogenic skincare products, and avoiding excessive touching of your face can all help keep pores cleaner over time. Consistency is more effective than harsh treatments. Final thoughts. Blackheads are a normal part of many people's skincare journey, especially in oily areas like the chin. Understanding how they form and maintaining healthy skincare habits can help reduce future buildup. Deep pore cleaning can improve the appearance of clogged pores, but long-term results depend on consistent skincare. If you enjoyed this deep skincare transformation and found today's blackhead removal satisfying, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Skin Remedian for more realistic deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and skincare content every week.